Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today I will teach you capital letters F, G, H and I. I will also teach you their sounds. Okay, let's start. Start from the first line. Come straight down. Make sleeping line. Make another sleeping line. Capital F. Football. Flower. Start from the first line. Make semicircle. Go up. Make sleeping line. Come back. Straight down. It will make capital G. Grapes. Glass. Okay, start from the first line. Come straight down. Make another straight line. Make sleeping line. Capital H. Hat. Horn. The sound of H is. Start from the first line. Come straight down. Make sleeping line. Make sleeping line. Capital I. Ice cream. Ink pot. F. G. H. I. Thank you.
प्लीज़ हमारी वीडियोस को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलें।